G'day, it's Jan here from Australia. This is my design team project for June 2020. I called it The Lady in Red. It's a little purse-sized traveller's notebook style journal and elastic closure. I decorated her a bit with some coloured pencils and other pens. You open it up, you have another lady in red. These images came from a printable kit called Ladies Fashion Diary from Lavender Blu. You can buy it on Etsy. I'll put a link below the video. Now, inside the front cover and the back cover, there are tuck spots, and they both have ephemera in them. This one has one of the pieces of ephemera that came in the kit there, and I made a little notebook out of very much reduced double page out of the kit. I glued some lined paper in and made a notebook. So that's in the front. The reason that the elastics in, I'll put them in a minute. The elastics in these is to hold them in, and then when the journal part of things is full, you can just remove them from under the elastic and replace them, which makes them very practical. So we have a notebook with various pretty papers in it, lined, unlined, and all sorts of things. On the back and the front is a double set of pages from out of the printables. The same with this one on the back and that's front and the back, and the front and the back of this one. There are three of the double pages. So this is another notebook. In this one, this is called a dashboard in real traveller's notebooks, and it has things that you use through your rest of your journals. And in each one of the tuck spots, I've put printouts of a vintage postcard, part of one of the double pages, and some of the ephemera pieces, tags that came with the kit. There's a page full of 2-inch squares, which I cut out and rounded the corners. They make nice little spots for writing things on. Or you could use them for putting on an envelope for happy mail, or when you're sending something to somebody, just to make them a little bit nicer. I used one more of those on there in each case. And on the back of these pages is another set of the pages from the kit. So it's quite a nice kit, actually. It has some interesting images of ladies from, I think, the Edwardian era, mostly, which is 1910 to something like that. I think it's 1901 to 1910, but anyway, the early part of the 20th century, about the time my grandfather and grandmother were kids. So the very back page, I don't have anything in there, but you could easily add some of the ephemera for in there. On this part of the thing, I also have some things in there. This is part of the ephemera page and another printout of an antique postcard, and they are all journaling cards to write on. I think they make really nice little cards to pop in an envelope to give to somebody as a gift. So to fold it up, just fold it in like that, put it like that, put it back together, and it really will fit nicely in your purse to take with you. And it is now enclosed. The cover has been collaged with various images out of the kit. Lace on there to strengthen it. And the elastic I dyed with some acrylic ink because white was too strong and black was too strong. And that's about the only choices where I live. I live in a long way from anywhere where you can buy anything you want. So I'll just pop these things back in. So you see how easy it is to use it. And you can see by my hand how that doesn't want to go back in there, does it? How small it is. It's just under the size of my hand. It's just a lovely size, I think. And they were in the dashboard on this side. So that can be replenished with things, and you could put things like, I don't like the colour of those, you could put some post-it notes in there, or even in the back. You could just stick them in there. And so now you have somewhere else to jot things down. That's a nice colour, isn't it, for this one? So I'll give it a couple more. There we are. I hope you liked this one. I had a bit of fun making it. And I like to challenge myself and make something different every time. So this is different from all the other design team projects that I have done. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.